Hi, this is Leslie Josel, academic and parenting coach of Order Out of Chaos, and you are watching another episode of Lessons with Leslie. I want to talk today about motivation. How hard is it for you to get motivated? Every single time you have to get something done. I know I have trouble. It's exhausting. So imagine if you're a student who might even have some learning difficulties or some focusing issues. Imagine how they feel every single time they have to get motivated to get something done. I know even my adults can't do it. So here's a really great tip for you, and one actually that I use all the time. I want you to think about your environment and how important your environment plays in helping you get and stay motivated. Think about it. You walk into Starbucks and you look around the room. Everyone is either on their laptop or they're working on something. Starbucks environment sends a message to you that, hey, this is a place to have a cup of coffee and maybe get working on something you want to do. So I want you to think about how your environment at home or in your office or even your student's workspace is set up. Are you surrounding yourself with things that make you happy, that bring you joy, that make it fun to sit down at your desk or even the kitchen table to work on whatever it is you need to? So I actually brought for you today things in my world that really help me to be motivated. I know that's a little crazy to think that these are like office supplies, but I'm an office supply girl. My favorite thing in the world are pens. If I do not have the right pens, I can't sit down and get work done. For some of you, it might be color. So I have a client who loves these. These are like Yobi's colored pencils, but they're fun because there's 2 in 1. And he can't get drawing unless he has these in his arsenal of tricks. This is a really pretty pad that I have in my own house. I love pretty pads. All right, I can't write on plain white. Again, I use my fun office supplies. I use color to put some enthusiasm around getting motivated. So my tip for you today is to think about your space. What is it that you need in your space to make it work for you? If it's not colorful supplies, maybe it's your favorite cup of coffee. Maybe it's lighting. Maybe it's wearing something fun that brings you joy. But try not relying on your own motivation every single time, and think about how your environment can help you do the same. If you like these tips and tools, and trust me, I've got tons of them, you gotta come to our website, orderochaos.com. Hope to see you there.